Namaste everyone, this is Pooja. So today it's a thank you video. Thank you to all of you for making Pooja Vyas PT, the YouTube channel, 1000 subscribers strong. Okay, I'm really glad. Okay, I didn't really think that I would reach this number, but now that I'm 1000 subscribers strong, I think I can, go for a bit more. And the idea here is to reach out to as many people as I can, so that something could be gained from my experience, and that would be useful. I'm not saying I have a vast experience. I graduated 2016. This is 2020, so I just have 4 years post-graduation experience. But I have been in 2 different countries. I have done the licensing. I have established a business. I have established a company and stuff like that. So I'm just sharing my experiences in the hopes that would help you go even further. Okay, so yeah, thank you for making me feel good, and that's that. The other thing that I wanted to share is that I'm going to be sharing my Instagram ID. It's not my personal ID, but it's my company's ID. So you could go in there. It's called PT Movement Masters, right? On Instagram, go search for PT Movement Masters, or I'm going to put a link in the description below. So you can just click that link, and then you'll be able to connect to me on Instagram. Okay, because I get it. Okay, the email and the comment things are good, but we do require a more personal touch, right? Because when I'm typing those comments, or when I'm giving you those email responses, if and when I am, I have so much to say, but it's hard for me to type it all out. So I thought if I could do Instagram live videos wherein you could just give me your questions and I could answer in a more natural way, it would be better. So let's connect on Instagram. So that's the first thing. And do tell me what you guys want me to focus on going forward. You would have seen that I'm not posting so regularly nowadays. It's because I'm giving an exam in November. I have a PC practical exam coming up in November. Other than that, I was over ambitious, and I also started a course in real estate. So I just gave my exam yesterday for real estate, and thankfully I cleared the exam. But the thing is, I have taken too many things. There are so many things on my plate right now, so it's just hard for me to be responsive and be quick to respond in all those situations. So if I'm not answering your emails, please don't feel like I'm doing any bias or anything. There could be 2 reasons, actually 3 reasons why I'm not answering those emails. The first one could be I don't really know what to say. Some questions like scholarships, or questions like what courses to do in Canada, these kind of things. Because I don't have personal experience, I have to do an online research, I have to talk to people, and only then I can give you the right information, right? So trust me, I read those emails, think to myself that I have to talk to a couple of people, I have to do my research, and and then I'll respond back to your email. So that's the first reason, I don't know what to say. The second reason could be that I would have already said a couple of those things in my past videos. So I don't really like repeating myself every time. So I just suggest that if you feel like yours is a common question, just go through my videos. I would have answered those kind of questions in some of my videos, like the basic questions like, can I work as a PT assistant in Canada right away? Yes, you can. Can I do a master's in United States in physical therapy? No, you can't, because there is no master's in physical therapy in United States as of now. They are just giving DPT degrees. Okay, so those kind of things I've already said a couple of times, so that's why I'm not responding. The third thing could be I'm just lazy. You write a whole 2-page email, and then I'm like, oh my god, I have to answer every question, and I don't want to be wrong, I want to be right, and that's why I'm just procrastinating. So I'm sorry if you are in the third lot, but for the first 2, I'm still trying to figure a way out. But do check my videos. Mostly I do answer the common questions so that no one is left wondering. Okay, that being said, let's talk about Movement Masters. So Movement Masters is my first company. We established Movement Masters, I guess, back in 2018 in New York. It was me and my husband's first venture as physiotherapists. So it was a private Movement Masters was made so that we could see private clients in New York, and it was really successful there. And then we immigrated to Canada, and we also established Movement Masters Inc. or incorporated in Canada. So that's why Movement Masters is really dear to me. It's like my first child, I'm really proud of the company. So that's why I have the Instagram ID for Movement Masters, and let's connect over there. And yeah, I wanted to talk about the name, why Movement Masters, because I truly feel that as physiotherapists, you are the masters of movements, because movement, when you move, means you are alive, right? In physiotherapy, that's all we do, right? Post surgery, you try to get the patient to mobilize a lot, not a lot according to their rehab status, but that's what we do as physiotherapists. We teach, or we show the essence of movements, the essence of postures, the essence of what to do and what not to do, and hence the name Movement Masters. So you all, my dears, are movement masters, right? You are great at what you do, and I just want to make sure that when you immigrate to countries like United States or Canada, you at least are ready to be an entry level physiotherapist. So that's the whole motto behind getting the YouTube channel started, so that at least those who are coming in the future, they know what basics they should be having an idea with, because many of us, we don't really know much about pediatrics or cardiopulmonary or respiratory, how things work in these countries. Even in musculoskeletal, we don't really know most of their tests or what they do, what they not do. So I'm just trying to just showing you a brief, so that when you come here, at least those things are those things, you have heard those words, and then that just gives you a platform to go ahead and be more successful. That's all I want. I want you guys to be successful and to be helpful to others. Also, tell me what you want me to do more. Okay, if you want me to make certain kind of videos, do leave a comment. I do take all of your comments seriously. It's just that because I'm still preparing for an exam, I might not be able to do it right away, but trust me, in the near future, once I'm done with the exams, I'll be focusing more on YouTube videos. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm really glad. So please stay in touch. Follow me on Instagram so we can do live sessions, and do leave comments. I really like it when you guys leave your comments. So see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.